These Plaid Storage Ottomans are the perfect solution to help keep your home organised and clutter-free. Let's take a quick look at our stylish storage cubes, a must-have addition to your living space. Each cube is constructed with a solid MDF frame and finished with a soft fabric finish, making them sturdy enough to function as an extra seat or as an ideal footrest after a long, hard day. The best part though is when you lift the lid and find the generous storage space. It's perfect for organising toys, blankets, shoes, books and magazines, remote controls, and anything else you don't have quite enough room for. The cubes will also fold completely flat when not in use, so they really are the ideal storage solutions for space-conscious homes. They're available in a range of stylish colours and will add a touch of luxury to any room in your home. Click up here to shop them right away. Enjoy and thanks for watching.